Hi everyone, welcome to Gallant IAS. This is Let's Go 120 Plus. So, here the question is, which one of the following statements cannot be a consequence of rising physical deficits? It is a direct shoot question. Four options are given, so you need to pick the correct one. Higher government expenditure may lead to higher inflation. Option B, tax rates may be decreased in order to reinstate the growth in the economy. Option C, borrowing cost remains high for consumers and companies. Option D, lack of interest rate cuts may affect private investments from taking off. So here the question is, which cannot be a consequence of rising fiscal deficit. What is fiscal deficit? It is excessive government expenditure over its income is what fiscal deficit. Like every individual, government has its income. As an individual, we have to meet our expenditure within the limit of our income. If a scenario arises like this, if our income is just 10,000, then expenditure it's 12,000. So this is a situation of deficit. You have deficit of 2,000 rupees. You have to manage your 2,000 rupees expenditure, but your income is just 10,000 rupees. 12,000 expenditure, additional expenditure 2,000. So to meet this, you have to borrow money. The option available for you to meet this additional expenditure which is above your income is borrow. It is same in the case of government. When government have excessive expenditure over its income, to meet that excessive expenditure, government need to borrow. So this physical deficit portion, we can also say it like it is the current year's government's borrowing needs. Okay. Indian government's calculated budget for 2020-21 expenditure calculated is 34 lakh crore. 34 lakh crore. But government's income is approx 30 lakh crore. So remaining 4 lakh crore. Government needs to borrow. So this physical deficit portion is the amount government needs to borrow. So what is the consequence of this physical deficit? When government needs to borrow larger amount of money, what happens in future? In the coming year, government needs to pay interest for that borrowing. To pay interest, government has to make additional revenue. So to get additional revenue, what government do? The most important revenue for government is taxes. What they do? They increase taxes. So as a consequence of rising physical deficit, rising borrowings, what happens? The government's taxes, taxes charged by government will increase. Okay. So let's come to the question. Which one of the following statements cannot be a consequence of rising physical deficit? Higher government expenditure may lead to higher inflation. Yes, when there is higher rising physical deficit, that means government spending more money. Government is spending larger than their income. That means government spending more money. Like any household and company, government also a party to the market. When government spending more means more money is coming to the market. When more money supply increase in the market, what happens? Demand for commodities increases. When demand for commodities increases, inflation will go up. So higher government expenditure may lead to higher inflation. That is a consequence of rising physical deficit. Here the question is which cannot be a consequence. Okay. Then option B, tax rates may be decreased in order to reinstate the growth in the economy. No. Tax rates will be increased. When government borrowing more, they have to pay interest in the future. So to increase their income, revenue to meet this additional interest payments, what government do? Government will increase taxes, not decrease taxes. So option B cannot be a consequence of rising fiscal deficit. So you get the answer. Even though just look option C and D. Borrowing cost remains high for consumers and companies. Yes, borrowing costs remain high. Why? Because government, to meet their additional expenditure, that is fiscal deficit, what government do? They borrow. Apart from households and companies, government also apply for loan. That means government is the party banks like to lend more. Why? There is acute surety in the part of government because they will pay. They will repay the loan. So when government demanding more borrowings, more loans, what happens? The chances to get loans for the companies and the households will lie low. That means the borrowing cost for the parties, other parties, that consumers and companies will go up. They need to give additional interest, increased interest to get loans. Okay, so option C is also a consequence of rising fiscal deficit. Option D, lack of interest rates cut may affect private investments from taking off. Okay, when there is additional demand for loan, the interest rate will go up, neither it will go down. Okay, nor borrowing cost will go down, it will go up. So what happens? The private companies will be in a situation of shortage of funds. In that scenario, what they do? They will take the fund and go abroad to invest. So that will result in fund outflow, investment outflow in our country. So option D is also a situation or consequence of rising fiscal deficit. So the answer is option B. Tax rates may be decreased in order to reinstate the growth in the economy. That is the correct answer. It was not the consequence of rising fiscal deficit. Thank you.